Okay, what a mess, huh? So after about 7-8 hours of fishing wire and anyway, so I'm pretty done on this side. A little light. Let's see if it's cool. Yeah, it's already cool. It's been 5 minutes. Yep. Nice. So I've decided to put a wood bottom that can be removed. It's too difficult to make a hole for that, so I think it's gonna be as good. And anyway, I could have installed the left charger over there, I guess, but it's pretty, is it hot? No, it's pretty cool. So fan is running, so it looks pretty good. This is also working. I've tried it before. Oh, blue light, funny. Voila.